visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong Almost Personal Readings. So I want you to know that this is a general reading and you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang, no? Take what's only yours at gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na this is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, believe in the divine timing, believe in the synchronicities because the message is meant to find you. So, let's begin. Nakakakita tayo ng marami na tayong pinagdaanan, no? Love begins, universe, obstacles, and challenges. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan. Especially when it comes to relationship, when it comes to the matters of the heart. So, ang nakikita natin dito, we probably naiiyak ako. Ba't ako naiiyak? Wala naman. Nagsisimula pa lang. In a sense na we met a lot of people and we failed probably. We failed in the sense of even our intentions are good, even our intentions are pure. People tend to probably doubt, our emotions, our intentions. Siguro sabi nga nila na dun sa kanta, kung sino pa ang seryoso, siya palaging may iwan, no? Kung sino pa ang nagmamahal ng tapat, siya pa ang naloloko. You might be losing the enthusiasm to believe in the power of love. Parang sinasabi mo dito, nako, the players are changing but the game remains the same, no? Iba-ibang tao lang yan. Pare-parehas lang din naman sila, no? Parang pare-parehas lang din naman ang kinalalabasan. Kahit na gano'n, parang I feel like, sa mga napagdaanan mo, malaki yung trauma na na-experience mo. Pero parang sinabi dito na, napanood niyo yung sa movie na Jowa-Ball. Sinabi doon ni Miss Candy Paghilina, no, na kaya pala na-experience yung mga challenges na yun, no? Prepare ka pala, no, ng Diyos para sa tamang tao. There might be, and there's some truth in that, no? Sometimes, ang masakit, minsan dumadating din sa buhay ng tao na kailangan mong buuin ang isang tao, no? Parang ginamit ka as a tool para mabuo ang isang tao at ihandog mo siya sa iba. Kung kailan matino na siya, kung kailan maayos na siya. Yes, that might be unfair, but ganun din naman sa iba. There's someone in here na galing din sa broken relationship, no? I don't know kung maraming pinagdaanan, kasing dami ng pinagdaanan mo, but definitely, meron na rin siyang experience sa relationship and it failed. And I am seeing here na somewhat the universe is preparing a person that matches your energy in a manner na hindi kayong parehas na broken, ha? What I'm trying to say here is energetic, vibration-wise, jive kayo, no? With the 8 of Swords. Wow. I feel like either you isolated yourself from a lot of things, isolated yourself for quite a while to talk to someone, date someone, and probably exposing yourself to social media. Um, kind of there's an energy in here that you became silent for a little while. Silent in social media, silent in with your friends, silence even with your family. Um, but then again, now I think that it's time for you to show up. Um, it's time for you to show up, ha, not show off. To show up, telling everyone that hey, I'm still alive. No, um, hindi naman nangangahulugan kailangan mo mag-post every day. But just to tell the universe that I'm open now. No, with the King of Swords, you've learned a lot. My God, parang kailangan ko ng antihistamine. Nagluluha ako. I have, allergy sa alikabok. So, parang nadaanan yata ako kanina. Mababahing na ako nito. With a King of Swords, what I'm seeing in here is now you've learned a lot of things from all those traumas. You've grew a lot, no? As a person with wisdom, as a person who knows probably how to read the people. Parang alam ko na yan, no? Sa dami ba naman ng experience kong to, lalapit ka sa akin, no? Alam ko na yung hilatsay. Alam ko na yung unang tingin pa lang, unang buka pa lang ng bibig, I know what you mean. I know your intention. So you have that kind of wisdom na. With the Page of Wands, felt like there's someone in here na medyo bata sa'yo or pwedeng ikaw ang mas bata sa kanya. There's some age gap in here. It's not a May December love affair. Somewhat medyo meron lang konting edad. Hindi naman ganun kalayo. For a few numbers of you, this might also be an LGBTQIA plus relationship. Pero there's something about with um, the numbers. Actually, someone is looking at you and sort of seeing you as their potential lover. I think that this person keeps keeping tabs on you. With the Six of Swords, Kuya, may crush na to sa'yo ha, at padaan-daan. For a few numbers of you, this might be a professor, student, sort of, trainer, employee, trainer, trainee, sort of, a boss, and something that is the other person is a bit status-wise, medyo nakakaangat than the other person. Again, that could be you, that could be your person. Sort of starting to appreciate, adore, see you as the potential partner. With the Knight of Swords, the Six of Pentacles. Dadating yung time na there will be no communication about what's happening to us. So this could be a mutual understanding that both of you are trying to be nice with each other. Siguro sabihin na natin, trying to impress each other. Ayan. Kasi, gano'n naman talaga, no? Sino ba sa una pala nagpakita na agad ng kasama ng ugali? 'Di ba? Gano'n naman talaga kapag ligawan stage. Everyone is showing their good side. The bad side, lilidaw na lang yan kapag medyo may katagalan na, kapag nagkaroon na ng complacency, or no, not really complacency, more of familiarity, no, with each other. The Nine of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Death card. Ngayon, here's the thing. Parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo, I'm protecting myself from being hurt again, no? For becoming heartbroken again. But then again, I am kind of kinakabahan ako. Medyo na-stress na rin ako. It's because of somehow, am I opening myself up, or am I going to open myself up for another chance, no, for romance? So, the stress level in here is high. Kasi you lost nga, no, the trust in humanity. parang you lost that trust that people are going to hurt you. But then again, hindi mo ano yung sabi sa kanta ni Donna Cruz, kapag tumibok ang puso, 'no, hindi mo tumibok mahirap kumanta baka ma-flag ako, 'no, magkaroon ako ng copyright. Hindi mo parang hindi mo mapipigilan, nakalimutan ko the specific lyric, kapag tumibok ang puso, wala ka ng magagawa kundi sundin ito. There you go. Florante at Laura, according to Balagtas, 'no, pag-ibig nga naman kapag pumasok sa puso ni man, 'no, parang hahamakin ang lahat, masunod ka lamang. Ayan. So, it felt like you cannot control this emotion anymore. And somewhat, bothered tayo. That is a bothersome um, energy, if you come to look at it, because all throughout these years, probably you said, I'm okay being alone. I'm okay being single. But then again, here we are, scared of that our heart may beat again. So, this is your reading. Hindi ko alam bakit ako kinikilig in a way. Um, yeah, but let's check, no? If you resonate in this reading, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some personal questions, there's actually a link, no, dito sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurus, Libra. I am seeing Leo. I'm seeing, did I just mention Virgo? Virgo is here. And Capricorn. There you go. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.